Hi guys, it's me Nini and welcome to Remote Philippines Job. And today we have Aliyah.
Hi.
So Aliyah is one of our VAs here in our agency and I'm gonna interview her about her testimonies regarding our job here at Remote Philippines Job. But before we start, Aliyah, can you first introduce yourself?
Hello, everyone. My name is Anita Hajibar.
So what is your job and what is your age and kailan ka nag-umpisa?
Okay, so my job is I'm a virtual assistant here in Remote Jobs Philippines, and then I am 23 years old,
So
and I just started October 21. Yeah,
bali last month lang.
yeah, yeah.
You're newly hired here at our company. So
Yes.
welcome to our company, and I hope that you feel great applying here in our company. So basically, I'm going to ask you some questions, and feel free to answer me. Okay? So here's my question. Before joining to our agency or remote Philippines job, do you have any work?
No po, wala. Actually, naghahanap din ako ng job. Yeah.
So are you a fresh graduate?
Yeah, fresh grad.
So what course are you?
Technology communication management.
So it's kind of related to
Yeah.
your job right now.
Yeah.
So, saan mo ba narinig yung ating company? So, saan mo to nakita or saan mo nalaman? Is it on social media or referral ng iyong friends?
Actually, nakita ko siya is through TikTok. Yeah. And then, at that time, nag-scroll lang ako. And then, I saw the remote jobs. Yeah, Philippines. And then, I went through their account. And then, may nakita kasi ako ng link. And then, yeah, I went through that link and applied.
Was that the video as a promotional video of mine? Or,
Yeah.
so it's a good thing no na you tried to apply since I am also one of those who promote our company. And right
Yeah.
now, look at us. I am interviewing you and it says that it's really legit, right?
Yeah.
So, what makes you apply in our company since most of the online right now are having scams?
Yeah, so, okay. So, honestly, nahook ako dun sa nakita ko na no experience needed. Kasi, to be honest, mahirap naman talaga maghanap ng job. Kasi, usually, hinahanap mo experience, ganun. So, yun, nakita ko na no experience needed. And then, I tried applying. And then, akala ko, syempre, madami din kasi scam online. But, I took the risk and okay naman and legit naman talaga siya, and then that's why I'm here right
Yeah.
now.
Welcome here. And masasabi ko lang na wala talagang mangyayari if you don't take a risk.
Yeah.
Usually, also I started as a fresh graduate. So, mahirap talaga maghanap ng work kasi
Mm,
if you don't have any experience. But here, everyone is welcome with experience or without experience.
yes.
So, can you share your interview process? So, how was your application? Smooth ba to? Nahihirapan ka ba? And how long does it take for you to be hired?
Okay, so for the application process so far smooth naman. Wala naman naging problem kasi from time to time nakakatanggap ako ng emails. And then, pagka nag-message ka naman sa Facebook page ng Remote Jobs Philippines, may nagre-reply naman kaagad. So, na-accommodate ka. And then for the interview process, super okay siya kasi Miss Mary, super bait. And then, hindi ka kakabahan ng pagsagot kasi okay si Miss Mary, like super bait, gaan niya kausap ka during the interview.
Yan. At saka hindi kanya pine-pressure, no, to
Yes.
do things like this and like that.
Yeah.
Instead, ini-encourage ka na to do better and also to guide you kasi you're just starting. And
Yes.
mahirap talaga mag-start sa work if you don't feel your team, right?
Yes.
And
Exactly.
yeah, and I'm so happy for you that you grabbed that opportunity and you are here right now. So, additional question. What tools or system do you use every day as a virtual assistant?
For me, I use Slack for communication since it's very important. And then spreadsheet, yeah, always on the spreadsheet. Yeah, doing tracking, yeah.
So, mandali lang pa sa'yo to or minsan nahihirapan ka rin mag-adjust?
During my first week, to be honest, mahirap siya mag-adjust kasi siyempre nape-pressure ka kasi may meet ka na standards, gano'n. But then, the long run, nawawala naman 'yun kasi super bait din ng CEO and of
Yes.
course, yeah, and Sir Matt as well. So, kaya, hindi ka gano'n parang nagpoproblema because okey naman sila, super bait din and also sa lahat ng, work mo.
Kaya nga may sinasabi tayo na practice makes perfect. Kasi
Perfect,
if
yes.
all, okay lang naman na magkamali tayo as long as we learn from it and
Yeah.
we also have a good support system na mag-guide sa akin through all of it. Okay, so next. Do you work alone ba or with a team?
I work alone.
Work alone. So, okay lang naman sa'yo mag-work kahit ikaw lang isa?
Yes, okey naman po, okey lang.
Okay. So, does your family or friends think, ano yung naiisip ng mga family mo regarding your job right now? They supported
Um,
you ba or you have something to say?
yeah, they supported me naman since, siyempre work na din 'to so, importante naman na may work tayo. So, yeah.
So, mabuti naman siya kasi at sinusuportahan ka nila. So, hindi ka na rin mahihirapan at mapapressure since they always have your back at hindi ka rin mahihirapan gumastos kasi you don't have to commute and all you have to do is to work at home at saka you can manage your time so well. So, one more question. If someone's asking if legit ba talaga tong company natin or they think it is a scam, what advice would you tell to them?
In that case, if magdadalawang isip man sila, which is normal naman kasi lahat naman tayo ayaw din ma-scam,
Yes.
sabihin ko lang sa kanya na it's legit kasi 'di naman ako aabot ng gan'to ngayon kung hindi naman totoo. So, yeah, and then also, dapat din i-try nila, 'wag lang puro takot or pagdududa kasi 'di naman natin malalaman 'di ba kung hindi natin ita-try.
Yeah. Especially on those fresh graduates na nahihirapan
Yeah,
maghanap ng trabaho. Kasi minsan talaga they think na, ay wala pa akong experience so kailangan need ko ng ganito, ganyan, 1 year experience. But here in our agency, there is no such requirements na kailangan meron kang ganito, ganyan. But we all accept experience and without experience. Just like Aliyah. So now
yeah.
she's working with us, and I'm so happy that she found me on TikTok. And I hope you guys that you also find me on TikTok and think about it. So, Aliyah, thank you for having your time with me tonight. And I hope that meron tayong na-encourage and people will apply here on us and talagang we can vouch that remote Philippines job is legit. So, thank you, Aliyah.
Thank you.